Hello and welcome to a brief video on a very common question in regards to how do you enter in dates into the ledger. So we have that date column, and in order to enter date properly you have to follow the following format. The first thing you do is enter in the day of the month. So let's say we're in March, so let's say we have an entry for 11th of March. So we start with the day of the month, and then we simply type in the first three letters of that month. So in this case it's March, so M-A-R. And that's it, you're done. Now when you go back to that cell, you can see up top here in the formula bar that what it's doing is automatically putting in the current year for you. So as we can see up top, we have 11/03/2013, so 11 of March 2013. Now, here's a common mistake some people are making. If you, for example, start with the day of the month itself, MAR, and then put in 11, watch what happens. Now we have 1st of March, so what happened with that? Well, you go back to the toolbar, or the formula bar at the top, and you can see that the 11, if it's entered after March, it picks it up as the year. So that doesn't work. So that was why it's important to put the day of the month, then the month, and then if there is a year that you want to enter, you put it after March. So let's say you're doing books for a previous year. So in that case, you're not going to want the current year. You're going to want the year that you're working on. So if you're back in 2010 or 2008 and you want to do an entry into that ledger, you can make 11 of March, like same as always, 11 of March. But instead of ending the entry there, you would end it with the year. So if it's 2010, you would enter in the 10 for the year. And then we have, if you look up top, March the 11th, 2010. So overall, if you're working in the current year, simply enter the first 2 days of the month, followed by the month, and you're done. If you're entering for a different year, follow the same format except end by putting in the last two numbers of the year. So hopefully that's clear enough, and thanks for tuning in.